Today we're going to remove a hard drive, the RAM, and a battery from a laptop computer. First, we're going to remove the RAM. There's an M there for memory, of course. First, you want to unscrew the screw. A lot of them have the stand-in screw here, so you don't have to worry about losing it. First, you want to move these little tabs, ears, aside there, and it kind of pops up there. Gently remove it, being careful not to touch the gold fingers. If you turn it over here, you will see that this particular type of RAM is a DDR. Now to replace it, you want to make sure that you have the notches lined up here. Gently slide it back in. Just pops right back in. That's how you remove the RAM. Make sure to screw the case back on with the right screwdriver. Next, we're going to remove the battery. As you can see, there's an arrow which way to slide it. Just push it up, and it kind of just gently pops up, and you want to pull it out of the side here. And that is how to remove the battery. And as you're placing it back in, you want to kind of just slide this back in here and just kind of pop it back in. It just kind of has a click there. Some other computers, you're not able to access the battery this easy. Next, we are going to remove the hard drive. Right here is the hard drive. You've got to unscrew the screw. And it's easier to kind of get your fingernail on this notch here. Fingernails on the notches here. Pull it out gently. Okay, and if you turn it over, this tells you all the information about the hard drive. If you wanted to replace it, you would unscrew these screws here and you would replace the metal casing. This particular type of computer has an adapter. Some of the more newer models, they have a built-in SATA port compared to this adapter. To slide it back in, gently slide it back in, make sure you have it facing the right way, and it will just pop right back in there. Make sure you replace the screw, which is on the end of the screwdriver. And screw it back in. That is how you replace or remove the hard drive, the RAM, and the battery.